there are two problems wearing cardigans I personally have. Usually it adds me age and I usually don't look stylish, fashionable, cool, I would say. And the second problem, if I choose trendy cardigan, something up to date, something modern and stylish, normally this would be boxy, oversized cardigans, and as I am quite sure it doesn't go really nice with my body proportions and I do have a cheeks, would need to always find a balance how to wear them so I look quite stylish but yet comfortable and not really grumpy, I would say. So in this video I'm gonna discuss 5 ways, my personal ways, how I see cardigans do look great in outfits, they do look stylish, they have that interesting detail. So really first way how I would style my cardigan, this would be the cardigan plus cardigan, so wearing 2 cardigans at the same time. So one should be thinner as first or base layer, and then on top you can add whether again chunky or maybe one size up. In terms of colors, I would choose whether similar colors, and one would be with some kind of pattern or print, or this would be 2 different colors. It can be contrast colors, it can be not contrast colors, so let's say white and gray, or contrast like white and black, like navy and brown, like burgundy and pistachio, or dark green. So these 2 cardigans, they will be obviously the accent in your outfit. If you want to add a little bit more detail, here you can go maybe with the simple white tee underneath, or maybe you can add some kind of chunky accessory, some kind of necklace in a boohoo style, or you might add, let's say, some kind of cool, maybe really trendy belt. Here obviously you see yourself whether you want to make it more casual or more quirky, more edgy, more attention grabbing, with accessories, with colors, with the styles. Why not? Just because these 2 cardigans, they are neat, they are soft, they're too comfy, I would then balance that with jean. I don't see myself wearing trousers with the cardigans, but if you are going to work and you need to make some kind of office style, then you obviously can add a pair of trousers. Myself, person, I would start with the jean. They can be white jean like now I am wearing, they can be blue jean, really classic jean, maybe wide leg jean, because if you have quite chunky oversized cardigan on top, I want to make that relaxed vibe and add a wide leg jean, or you might add skinny jean, and to again to have that balance where you have quite tight fit, quite chunky fit. But if you don't have 2 cardigans, it can happen, right? Or you don't have cardigans that you can wear at the same time in terms of size, in terms of anything else. So here you might use the knit polo top. Here you can see on the picture, so it's still kind of giving us a vibe. The woman wears 2 cardigans, so here you can obviously play with these kind of styles, or if you do have 2 cardigans that you can easily wear together at the same time, then go for it. You will feel definitely comfortable, warm and stylish, I am sure. Right guys, let's move to next styling trick, and here I would pair the cardigan with a shirt. Shirt obviously will be under your cardigan, and here I would go for something really basic and classic like blue shirt, white shirt. You will need to put on top your cardigan. If you have big cardigan, here you can obviously add your oversized shirt. I would use normal standard classic fit shirt. I would put on top my cardigan, and here again you can play with accessories if you want. You can accessorize it like adding some kind of chain on beads or some kind of cool trendy belt maybe, or you can go really modest, classic, I would say really casual. If you go to your work, if you want to look a little bit more smart, then obviously you can go with a smart pants, skirt, office-like. Don't want to talk way too much. Let's move to third styling way, and here I would pair it with the leather. Particularly myself, I would choose only two colors of leather. This would be black or dark brown, like brown, maybe chocolate brown, and matte leather, definitely not shiny, but we all are different. We all have our own personal taste and preference, so you can go with the shiny leather or any other colors you like. It all depends what kind of style of cardigan you have. Let's say if I have really fitted tight cardigan, I would then compensate it with my pants or whatever skirt, so this would be more relaxed, maybe mid-fit, maybe cropped, but yet it wouldn't be tight pants. If my cardigan would be chunky, massive, big, I would then compensate with a structured pants or skirt with a holding shape, maybe quite tight, straight cut leather pants. With the leather pants or leather skirt, you are giving energy to outfit, because the cardigan might feel too cozy, might feel too comfortable, and then you obviously want to spice up a bit. I think it's quite clear, it's easy, it's understandable, and let's move to fourth way. So here I would pair it with blazer. I would say it's quite popular styling trick to put your blazer on top of cardigan, but yet I could barely find a picture to show you as an example. I really love the way wearing cardigan, blazer, jean and loafers, or wearing this with the trousers, because blazer would suggest about something formal, or you can pair it with a really quirky, stylish, cool jeans if you want, if you have really bright jeans. Yeah, so I really do love this styling trick myself, and I think this is a perfect alternative to all our jumpers. Here you can become maybe a little bit different and put the cardigan instead. Right guys, let's move to fifth one and last one, and here we are pairing the cardigan with whether with the logo, slogan or any numbers. So again, two contrast styles, casual style and something that is whether grungy or sport vibe, and it gives that great balance. In my personal preference, I would wear it with a jean again, or maybe with a leather pants, but it's again up to you what you have in your wardrobe. It would nicely balance those cardigans that usually add age, that usually look like they've been taken from grandma closet, would look cool, fresh and really stylish. Obviously you can wear it with the jeans, with the skirts, anything what you have in your closet. Hope it makes sense. I hope you got something new for yourself. Anyways, thank you very much for watching this video. Thank you very much for coming back to my channel or just joining my channel, and I really hope to see you back on my channel, and thank you and bye.